Welcome back. This is my part 3 tutorial on how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Now in the previous two tutorials it showed you how to solve the bottom 3 sides and the bottom side, and how to get the cross on the top, like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this tutorial we will learn how to match up these edge pieces and then finally solve the cube. Now to match up the edge pieces, turn the top until you either have two adjacent edges or opposite edges, which would look like, if this was white, the yellow side would be matched up here. But I have adjacent, so if you have adjacent, you pick the left hand side adjacent match, and then move it so it's on the right hand side. If you have opposite edges, pick one of them and then turn it so that is on the right hand side. Now I'm working with my adjacent edge. We do the following algorithm to match up the rest of the sides. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, twice, right inverted. And then turn the top and the edges should be aligned up. If they're not, just do the algorithm again and they should be aligned. Now, to match up the corners, you go and look around your cube. This one is pink, green and yellow. It's red, yellow and green, so that is not in the right place. Pink, yellow and green, yellow, pink and green. It's not in the right place either. No, it's not in the right place. But this one is in the right place because it's green, white and red, green, white and red. It may not be orientated properly, but it is in the right spot, which you must look for. If none of them are in the right spot, do the following algorithm once, and one of them should be in the right spot. Once you have got your Rubik's piece corner in the right spot, you make sure it is on the right hand side, top right, and then you do this following algorithm, which is up, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, and left. And you do this a few times until you have the pieces in the right place. So the algorithm again was right, up, left inverted, up inverted, right inverted, up, left, up, and right. Once you have done that, these pieces should be in the right place, as you see. Green, white and red, green, white and red, green, red and yellow, green, red and yellow, pink, yellow and green, pink, yellow and green, and so on. Now they're in the right place. Now you've got your pieces in the right place, pick any one of the pieces, and then as we will do the simple algorithm from the first tutorial, which is just the R inverted, D inverted, RD, to get this piece orientated. You do that, make sure it's in the top right spot. You do this algorithm over and over until it is in the right place, like it is now. Very important to remember that last D move. Now, it may look like you're muddling up the rest of the cube, but in fact you're not. It will fix itself once you've completed all 4 corners. Once you've done one corner, turn the top layer to the next corner. Do the algorithm R inverted, D inverted, R, D, R inverted, D inverted, R, D, until it's in the right place. Do the same for the other corners until you have them solved. Last corner, and there you see it has solved the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So that last algorithm is R inverted, D inverted, R, D, and you should have your Rubik's Cube solved.